up in Vancouver.
Oh, man. Oh. Somebody means business.
Oh, come on, Seattle.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
I love you.
Where you at, crowd? She's at the top right now. It's really good, but you have to sit down. Woo! You have to sit down, people. Oh, is it going to be enough? Judges.
3, 2, 1. Aaron takes it. Aaron at the top.
Let's go.